Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to the Train Expert channel for the second straight day. We have an OC&T freight train. Let's check it out. All on this Friday, June 2nd, 2023. Hopefully them conductors need to get in the engine. Shouldn't be a... Oh. I hope there's not a stop on the rear. It's happened like the last week. I seen they had to stop before the end. There's a stop right there at the end. Yeah, it's a long freight train right here, yep. There we go. Alright, here comes the next video. Rolex. I think there's going to be another long train coming right here. So let's go ahead and on to the next video. Roll it instead of getting off. Roll it. Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We have a longer freight train coming. Let's check it out. let's wait till let's wait for this last hopper on the rear, and then we'll stop the video and get back on with the next train. That'll be that freight heading back to the heading back to the single track. So, all right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train heading back north. Talk to you later.